So good evening, one and all. Now I am going to explain assignment which is given on September 4th, chemistry assignment for the Super China. Find the number of cyclic isomers structural for C4H2O. The cyclic ethers and cyclic alcohols, they are functional isomers. So for C4H2O, you can write 5 isomers, a 5 atom ring, a 3 atom ring with a methoxy substituent, with a 4 atom ring with OH group, 3 atom ring with CH2OH, 3 atom ring with CH3 and OH as groups. So altogether 5 isomers are possible. Second question, which is the enol form of CH3COCH3? So the tautomerism, the migration of hydrogen atom from one polyvalent atom to another polyvalent atom. We call it a tautomerism. Desmotropism. Desmotropism means here the rearrangement of bond is taking place. When hydrogen is migrated and attacking this oxygen, the pi bonds are coming here. And so the enol form is CH2 double bond COH CH3. Second option. The IUPAC nomenclature of CH3, CHOH, CHOH, CH3 is, if you give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, then this is butane 2,3 diol, butane 2,3 diol. So fourth question, IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. If you give numbering from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on second carbon you find OH. So that is a pentane 2-ol. And fifth, 2,4-dimethyl-3-pentanol. If you draw the structure for 2,4-dimethyl pentane 2-ol, you get a structure like this, in which OH group is attached to a secondary carbon. Because OH group is attached to a secondary carbon atom, we call it a secondary alcohol. Now, question number 6. Which among the following contain alkyl group as the main functional group? See, if you look at the first option, you find aldehyde as well as OH. When aldehyde and OH group are there, aldehyde becomes a principal functional group and OH becomes substituent. If you look at the third option, you find the ketone functional group and alcohol functional group. When ketone and alcohol both are present, the ketone is the principal functional group and OH is the substituent. Similarly, in the fourth option, cyanide and OH both are present. When cyanide and OH both are present, so cyanide is the principal functional group and OH is the substituent. In second option, there is no other functional group is present. So only OH group is present. So that is the main functional group, that is the principal functional group. So second option. Next, IUPAC name of OH CH2 CH2OH. If you give a numbering, that is ethane 1, 2 diol. The IUPAC name of that compound is ethane 1, 2 diol. Give IUPAC name of the compound given below. See, if you look at the structure that is given, you can see the numbering is given from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On fifth carbon, you find chlorine. So 5-chlorohexane 2-ol. 5-chlorohexane 2-ol. So option 3 is the correct option. Next. Ninth question. Which of the following is a tertiary alcohol? Which of the following is a tertiary alcohol? See, once again, if you draw the structures for each, which of the following is a tertiary alcohol? See, the first one, CH3 taken by CH2OH. OH is attached to a primary carbon. Second one, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. If you observe here, OH is attached to a primary carbon. In third option also, OH is attached to a primary carbon. But in fourth option, OH is attached to a tertiary carbon atom. So fourth option is a tertiary alcohol. And 10th one, acetaldehyde when treated with methyl magnesium bromide and followed by hydrolysis in the presence of acid gives. See, when methyl bromide is treated, then you will get, so methyl being a nucleophile, attack this carbon, and MgBr attacks oxygen and forms an addition product, which on hydrolysis with water gives an alcohol in which you find the OH attached to a secondary carbon. So this is a secondary alcohol. So thank you, Ananda. Thank you very much.